In the previous lesson, we discussed how to choose the right platform for your community. Ideally, I hope you've considered Sociala. But regardless of the platform you've chosen, one major challenge remains. How do you bring your users into your community? You've already built a loyal audience, people who trust you and engage with your content and resonate with your message. Whether your niche is fitness, food, fashion, or finance, you've invested time and effort into creating something valuable. But now you're wondering, do I need to start from scratch to build a community on a new platform? And the answer is no, not even close. You've already done the hardest part, building a loyal audience that connects with you. Now it's just about letting them know, hey, I'm over here now. Come hang out. Think about your current socials, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, as your megaphone. Use them to point your followers to Sociala, where they can get the real stuff, exclusive content, honest conversations, and a more personal connection with you. On Sociala, we have special spaces called channels. You can use a channel to run a course, build your community, or even simply share your content. Channels can be free or paid. It's totally up to you. So, should you launch your paid channel on Sociala from day one? It depends. If you're already selling your knowledge on social media and if your audience is full of loyal fans or warm leads, or if you already know exactly what they want, then yes, go for it. You can launch your paid channel from day one. And yes, you can start your subscription-based community on Sociala right away. But if you're new to monetization, here's something you need to know. Monetizing means making sales. And just like any other business, you'll need a strategy, a simple plan to turn your followers into paying community members or buyers of any digital product that you offer. That plan is called a sales funnel. And I know that sounds intense, but don't worry. I'll explain everything. You're not just hoping they'll buy, you're leading them naturally from discovering your content to actually wanting to support you with their money. No pressure, just a respectful way to grow and get paid for the value that you bring. A typical sales funnel has 3 stages. Number 1, awareness. Building your audience on social media. Number 2, enchantment. Building trust and connection through free products. 3, conversion. Offering your paid product or community. If you're following this sales funnel, you'll start a free community on Sociala. And why? Because it helps you reach more people and build trust before asking for anything. Free spaces just work. They make it easier for people to just join. And once they're in, turning that connection into paid support becomes way more natural. Now, let's talk about your game plan, your sales funnel, in more detail. Follow the link in the description to see the next part.